Okay, so where are we at with this?
Well, these ones are the new parts we just got from our partner, so we're inspecting them to make sure that they have a proper fit.
We have a lot of tooling marks on the edge there, and then the fit is really bad.
We're trying to align everything to make sure that people recognize Dupray as producing really high quality home care product.
The Bloom is an air purifier that can be hidden in a planter or as a side table. We first launched the Bloom in 2024. It was the most wish-listed product in the category. That's when the company that we used to manufacture it in Spain went bankrupt, and it's been off the shelf for 18 months.
Are we on schedule, Brent? Yeah?
How did you meet?
I was a law student and Brent was in engineering.
We needed a summer job. There's lots of graffiti in Montreal.
I still remember Brent calling me one night and he said, "Hey, I had this idea. I saw this documentary. There's these guys in the States, they're removing gum using like steam cleaners." I said, "Let's go." Yeah, we borrowed a car, went to Boston to pick up this huge Italian-made like industrial steam cleaner. I still see us searching for ways to cross the border. 2 minutes in, already one crime. We got a lot of contracts. We did a demonstration at an hotel.
They were like, "No, we don't want your service. We want to buy the product." It clicks in that we can have more success selling the products.
Who's Pierre?
Never heard of him.
My name is Pierre Tremblay. I'm VP and a co-founder at Dupray. I've met Seb in 2003 in a campground in Banff. He called me 5 years later. He was looking to start a new business. I was older than them, so basically I own a credit card.
Clients wanted steam cleaners in their home.
The Neat was the first product that we developed.
We removed all the useless features of a steam cleaner and made it look good.
We launched our first Neat on Amazon. We really used Amazon ads to get the product in front of as many people as quickly as possible.
We're actually surprised it became like an instant success.
During COVID, we increased our revenues by 200%.
It's the best-selling household steam cleaner in North America. We saw the success we had in one space, and we know we can apply it to other spaces.
Things are changing. Dupray is becoming a real brand. My hopes and dream for Bloom is to see it having as much success as Neat.
When the factory in Spain went bankrupt, you think, okay, great, well, I'll find another place, I'll move things out.
It's never that easy, though.
No. Our toolings got stuck there. We got stuck in a 1-year legal battle to try to get them back. People really liked the product, but we weren't able to get them the product. When we were evaluating where to bring our production, things were uncertain all over the world. It made everybody in Canada more patriotic.
There's a big misconception about producing in Canada, how everything will be more expensive. It's not necessarily the case. Everything is closer, you have less development costs.
Okay, let's make this product here.
Monday morning. Let's go quickly. We have 25 minutes max.
My name is Fanny Moikin. I'm the head of marketing at Dupray.
Prior to this week, guys, tomorrow is the shoot for the relaunch of the Bloom.
For the relaunching of the Bloom, we'll use Amazon ads to promote the product at the brand level as well.
This is new for us to have more recurrent shoots for ads specifically.
Personally, I love change. We are moving from just a steam cleaner company to other products. In order to grow as a business with multiple products, you need to expose the feeling and the value of your brand. The brand awareness piece is more important than ever, and video on Amazon ad will be one of the key players.
The launch of the Bloom will be mid-June, so we already mid-May. Okay, that's much better.
This is a testing.
Can you
1,
put that
2.
there?
This is
So
an
we
audio
just
test,
clear
BYRON.
everything.
We have a whole launch program with Amazon Ads that will build out the Made in Canada angle.
Amazon offer a variety of different placement we could do for awareness, consideration, or conversion. So we'll be able to maximize the funnel through that.
Fait qu'on est prêt à partir.
3, 2, 1, action.
By next week, all the different episodes gonna have to happen.
Is this the right color?
We're a small team, so the pressure is there. No delays on the schedule, please. We all want to watch the game tonight. No. Be aware, the box is the old box, so made in Spain.
It says made in Spain.
Oh, God damn it. We're really worried about getting the box in time for production.
It's one of the big problems with reshoring things. You don't have the economy of other suppliers around. This is not a problem that we saw coming. Today is the first time that we're going to the factory to see the Bloom in production.
En attendant, on va se rendre à la première machine.
This factory has no experience building this type of product, but they have tons of experience making plastic. It's been such a long time that we've been waiting for this. Looks good. Ils ont réglé ça, hein? Tu sais, il y avait un peu une gap.
Ouais.
Et là, il fit.
Le fit est parfait.
Boxes. Oh, the new boxes.
On a reçu ces boîtes-là juste à la dernière minute hier, fait qu'on a...
They made it.
Yes, the boxes made it. See, designed and made in Canada. I think we'll fine-tune them, but
We have boxes to put the product in.
yes, at least we do.
The Bloom production was delayed because of boxes, but marginally.
Yes.
We're going to make our deadline and we're going to get back on the market within the next month. We have a lot of new products coming out, like a humidifier, unlike any other humidifier on the market.
The stars are aligned. We're ready for the next chapter.
After a long winter, Montreal comes back to life.
The Montreal Canadiens are in the playoffs. We're organizing a little watch party for the whole team. How long we've been friends? I'd say about 20 years. Yeah, it's funny how all your life can be dependent on one call late at night. If you actually follow through, it can change your path.
One thing that a lot of entrepreneurs have in common is trying to take a problem and make the most of it. We went from a big problem to bringing it back home.